Many of us hear or see foods labeled as healthy and consume them without giving it any thought. But did you know that some so-called healthy foods might be sabotaging your health goals? It's true. The grocery aisles are filled with options marketed as wholesome and nutritious. But behind the shiny labels and buzzwords, there are hidden dangers that can impact your metabolism, weight, and overall well-being. Are whole grains always the healthier choice? Is low-fat really better? And can fruit juice be as bad as soda? Today, we're uncovering the truth behind these so-called healthy foods and giving you the tools to make smarter choices. Welcome to Levitas. Are whole grain products healthy? Whole grain products are often considered the gold standard of healthy eating. Unlike refined grains, they retain their bran, germ, and endosperm, offering a bit more fiber, vitamins, and minerals. But not all products labeled whole grain are created equal. Many packaged goods, such as bread and cereals, boast whole grain on the label, but are often loaded with sugar, sodium, and preservatives. These additives can counteract the benefits, spiking blood sugar and contributing to weight gain. Additionally, modern wheat is often stripped of its natural nutrients during processing, leaving behind products that are far less nutritious than their ancestors. Whole grain versions also contain gluten, which causes inflammation and digestive issues in most individuals. For truly healthy choices, focus on minimally processed whole grains like quinoa and organic oats. Always read labels carefully, avoiding products with long ingredient lists filled with additives or sweeteners. Plant-based meats are marketed as the perfect alternative for health-conscious eaters, but are they really better for you? Many of these products are highly processed and contain a cocktail of additives, including artificial flavors, tinctures, binders, and preservatives. These ingredients can strain your liver and digestive system over time. One key concern is the high levels of refined oils, such as canola or sunflower oil, used to mimic the texture of real meat. These oils are often rich in omega-6 fatty acids, which, when consumed in excess, can promote inflammation and disrupt the omega-3 to omega-6 balance, which is essential for metabolic health. Furthermore, some plant-based meats are packed with sodium, exceeding daily recommendations in a single serving, increasing the risk of high blood pressure and cardiovascular issues. Instead of ultra-processed alternatives, consider meats or whole food plant proteins like lentils, chickpeas, or organic tofu. These options are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals without the hidden risks. For decades, low-fat products have been synonymous with healthy eating, but the reality is far more complex. Fat is an essential macronutrient that supports brain health, hormone production, and vitamin absorption. When manufacturers remove fat from food, they often replace it with sugar, starches, or artificial sweeteners to maintain flavor and texture. These replacements cause blood sugar spikes, hormonal issues, increase hunger, and lead to overeating. Moreover, certain healthy fats like omega-3s and monounsaturated fats found in foods like avocados, nuts, and extra virgin olive oil are vital for reducing inflammation and supporting heart health. Avoiding fats altogether can deprive your body of these critical benefits, potentially harming your metabolism and overall health. Rather than fearing fat, focus on consuming the right types. Choose natural, unprocessed sources like fatty fish, avocados, seeds, and extra virgin olive oil. Skip low-fat labels and instead look for whole, nutrient-dense foods. Are fruit juices a good alternative to soda? Fruit juices often masquerade as a healthy alternative to soda, but don't be fooled. While they might contain vitamins and antioxidants, most store-bought juices are loaded with sugar, sometimes just as much as, or even more than, soda. The lack of fiber in juice means your body absorbs the sugar rapidly, leading to blood sugar spikes and subsequent crashes that can leave you feeling sluggish and craving more. Even juices labeled 100% natural aren't entirely innocent. The pasteurization process often destroys delicate nutrients, leaving you with a drink that's more about sweetness than health benefits. Drinking juice in excess contributes to rapid weight gain, insulin resistance, fatty liver disease, and diabetes over time. So, what could be the better alternative? Eat whole fruits, which provide fiber to slow down sugar absorption and keep you full. If you enjoy juice, opt for fresh homemade versions based in low glycemic fruits in minimal quantities and pair them with a source of protein or fat to help stabilize blood sugar levels. What's wrong with protein bars? Protein bars are convenient and marketed as a healthy snack or meal replacement, but many are little more than glorified candy bars. They often contain high levels of added sugars, artificial sweeteners, and refined carbohydrates. These ingredients can spike your blood sugar, leading to an energy crash shortly after eating. Many protein bars also include poor-quality protein sources like soy protein isolate, which can be contaminated, heavily processed, and stripped of natural nutrients. Additionally, artificial flavors, colors, and preservatives are commonly found in these bars, adding unnecessary chemicals to your diet. While some bars boast impressive protein content, the trade-off is often a high energy ingestion count, which can undermine weight loss or health goals. Always read labels carefully and opt for bars with minimal ingredients, no sugar content, and high-quality protein sources like whey or pea protein. Better yet, consider whole foods like Greek yogurt, nuts, or hard-boiled eggs for a healthier, more satisfying option. How can you identify truly healthy packed foods? Navigating the grocery store can be tricky with so many products claiming to be healthy. Here's how to cut through the marketing jargon and make smarter choices. Read the ingredients. Look for short ingredient lists with recognizable whole food components. Avoid items with added sugars, artificial flavors, or unpronounceable chemicals. Check the sugar content. Added sugars hide under names like high fructose corn syrup, agave nectar, or cane syrup. Aim for products with 2 grams or less of sugar per serving. Watch for sodium. Processed foods are often loaded with salt. Choose options with 140 milligrams or less of sodium per serving. Beware of buzzwords. Terms like natural, low-fat, and multigrain are absolutely misleading. Always verify the nutritional content instead of relying on front label claims. Focus on fiber and protein. High fiber and high protein foods keep you fuller longer. Look for at least 3 grams of fiber and 5 grams of protein per serving. Remember, it's always better if the fiber and protein content is higher. Skip artificial additives. Avoid colorings, flavorings, sweeteners, and preservatives whenever possible. By following these guides, you can make informed decisions and fill your cart with foods that truly support your health and well-being. In conclusion, the pursuit of healthy eating is often clouded by misleading marketing and misconceptions. Whole grain products, for instance, are widely regarded as a nutritional cornerstone, yet most of these food options contain hidden sugars, preservatives, and stripped nutrients, negating their benefits. Choosing minimally processed grains like quinoa or organic oats can ensure you reap their true advantages. Similarly, plant-based meats may appear wholesome, but are often loaded with refined oils, sodium, and additives that strain metabolism and promote chronic inflammation. Opting for whole, plant-based proteins like lentils and organic tofu offers a safer, nutrient-rich alternative. The low-fat label, long synonymous with health, is another trap. Removing fat often means adding sugars and artificial ingredients, leading to blood sugar spikes and hunger. Embracing healthy fats from sources like avocados and extra virgin olive oil is crucial for brain health and metabolism. Likewise, fruit juices, though marketed as soda alternatives, are totally sugar-laden and fiber-depleted, contributing to hormone issues, weight gain, and energy crashes. Whole fruits are far better options to preserve nutrients and control sugar absorption. Even the so-called healthy protein bars often fall short, resembling candy bars with their high sugar and artificial ingredient content. Reading labels carefully and opting for whole food snacks ensures better nutrition. Finally, navigating packaged foods requires vigilance, prioritizing simple ingredients, no sugars products, balanced sodium, and high fiber and protein content. Demystifying these healthy foods is the first step you can take to help you make choices that genuinely benefit your body and long-term health. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.